Welcome back. So we're going to continue from where we stopped in the last video, and this time around I'm going to teach you how to customize your view. And I just want you to follow what I'm going to do right away. So how do you customize your view? All you need to do is to go to your view tab. Don't forget that I taught you that these are tabs: home, insert, design, layout, references, mailings, review, view. They are all tabs. And I want you to go to your view tab now. Just select it. Okay. Now we're coming to the views section. Alright, as you can see. So this views group is the group we want to consider. Alright, so I want you to pay attention to it. Okay, so the current view that is active now is the print layout. So if you point your mouse to it, it's going to tell you the function. You see? It says see how the document will look if printed. So this view gives you how your document will look if printed. Okay, so that's why they call it print layout. It's a layout for printing. So the way you're seeing your document now is the way it's going to show when you print it. Okay, so let's check the other view. Can you see read mode? Is the best way to read a document, including some tools designed for reading instead of writing. Can you see that? So if you have a document, a Word document that is opened and you just want to read through, so you can use the read mode instead of reading like this, like the way it is here. So there's a reading mode. So all you need to do is to click read mode, and it's going to change the look of the document. As you can see now, this looks better if you're reading than the other view. So that's what this one does for you. Okay, so how do you get out of this place now that you are here? So there's a key on your keyboard called escape. You see ESC. It's always at the top left of your keyboard. Okay, so when you press escape, it's going to bring you back to your print layout, as you can see. Let's go back to the read mode. There's another way to get out of there. When you come to your screen towards the what's it called now? The status bar of your screen. This is the status bar of your screen. So you're going to see the read mode, you're going to see print layout icon, you're going to see the web layout icon. So currently you see that this is highlighted, it's selected. That tells you that we're in the read mode. So if you want to opt out back to the print layout, all you need to do is to click this icon and it's going to take you back. Alright, so let's check the third view, which is the web layout. Let's check. This saying see how your document would look as a web page. This layout is also great if you have wide tables in your document. So this particular one, let's click it. You see that it's wider than the other view that we're checking. So let's say you have a very wide table in your document. This gives you the privilege to be able to see the table as it is, and don't forget what we saw there, that see how your document would look as a web page. So it gives you a view if you want this document to be used as a web page. Okay, so as you can see now, when you're surfing the internet, you know that this is the view you're likely to have there, to spread across the screen. Okay, so that's the view you have here. So I'm going to move to the next one, which is outline. This is quite different. So it's saying that see your document in outline from where content is shown as bulleted points. This view is useful for creating headings and moving whole paragraphs within the document. So it's explanatory. So let's select it. You see that it has turned our sentences to outlines, to bulleted points. So each of those paragraphs has been turned into points. Okay, so that is what your outline does for you. Okay, so you need to understand that. So if I want to go back, I'm going to close outline view. Okay, so I'm back in the print layout view. I was supposed to even ask you that what view is this now? This is a print layout view now. So let's go back to view tab, and we're going to see draft. Look at draft. Draft switches your view to see just the text in your document. Okay, this is useful for quick editing because headers and footers and certain objects won't show up. Okay, allowing you to focus on your text. So if you have other objects apart from text on your document, they won't show when you use draft. It's only your text that will show. So other objects would not show. They will be hidden. So it gives you allowance to quickly edit your text and all that. That's what the draft view does for you. But don't forget that if you're typing and you want to see how it will look when you want to print, you use print layout for that. And that is the normal view that everybody uses when working on Microsoft Word. And this is where I'm going to stop in this video. In the next video, you're going to learn other things. And I'm sure you're learning one or two things already. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.